First of all, good morning everyone. I am going to tell you about a story, and which is a motivational story, and which is related to the life of APJ Abdul Kalam. And we all are know that who is APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is called the missile man of India, and he was born in and he was born on 31. He was born on 15 October 1931, and he started his career as a scientist. But in the past, he used to go to the school. One day, his master slapped him because he was sitting at the first bench of the school with a son of a priest, and that's why his teacher slapped him, and he said to him, "You need to go to the back seat. You need to sit on the back seat of the school." And then he decided, "I will become one day a great scientist, so that no one say that a brilliant mind can't be found on the last bench of the school." And then he decided, and he tried to do work hard. And one day he was went to the wrong class, because there was a mathematics teacher and he was teaching the mathematics. That's why when he entered, his teacher slapped him, and he said to him, "If you don't know in which class you read and you want to do it, then what will you do, or what will you achieve in your life?" And then that day, APJ Abdul Kalam decided, "I will try my best to give in the subject." Then he topped the institution in mathematics by 100 of 100. And the teacher was surprised how it can be possible, because he is understanding like that he is not a brilliant student. And one day his teacher Dr. Subramaniam was teaching about how to fly. Then all the students are unable to understand this thing, and the Subramaniam take all the students at the beach of the sea, and he seen them the live example of birds how they fly. And then a thought comes across the mind of APJ Abdul Kalam, and then he decided to become a scientist and go to the aeronautics. And after qualifying after completing their schooling, then he go to the Madras MIT, and he took the admission. And after that he studied hard. But one day his professor said to him, "If you are unable to make a design of aeroplane or a spaceship, or it might be another aeroplane, then if you are unable to make this, then you will be fired out from the university, because you are unable to make all the graphs of aeroplanes." And he asked for the teacher, "You need to give me 1 month. 1 month I will try my best, and I will design the best aeroplane." Then his teacher said to him, "I will give you only 3 days." And APJ Abdul Kalam become shocked, because his parents tried hard work to go or to educate him in the MIT. And that's why he was not asleep for the 3 days, and he worked 72 hours, and he gave his best aeroplanes design. And the teacher praised him. After that he decided he got after completing the MIT or the graduation. Then he get two opportunities. First one is from Air Force, and second one is from the Ministry of Defense. Then he wanted to first he wanted to hit the Air Force, and then he will do another thing. He go to the Air Force base and give an interview, but he could not qualify because there was only 8 seats, and the position of APJ Abdul Kalam was 9th. And then he decided to hit the Ministry of Defense, and he went there for an interview, and he selected. And after that, he decided to make the PSLV and SLV on a little bit amount, and he demanded to the Prime Minister of India, and who was wait a second. And he demanded for the money for Indira Gandhi, so that he could make the missiles. And Indira Gandhi also said to him, you need to make the missiles for the India, so that we could not be defeated, or we could not be scared from the other countries like Pakistan and China, because they are working over the missiles, and they can create the big problem for India. They can treat us, and they can defend us in the war. And that's why APJ Abdul Kalam worked for 3 hours from 1881 to 1885, and he launched a lot of missiles like Agni missile, or Agni missile, but he was failing. He was failing in making the other missiles. Then his director Satish Dhawan motivated him, you need not to give up, so you need to enhance your knowledge, or you need to do practically the things, so that you could not be failed in making the missiles. Then he tried hard, and they made a lot of missiles. And after that, the Prime Minister of India, who is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, invited him to become the President of India, but in first attempt he denied, because APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to study the students in the university, and he started. After some time, Atal Bihari Vajpayee said, you need to make the atomic bomb for the India, because China and Pakistan is working on the atomic bomb, and China is supply the atomic bomb to Pakistan, and Pakistan always threatening to India, and that's why he said to him, and APJ Abdul Kalam make a scheme Shakti, and he made the atomic bomb in 1998, and it was successful. And after that, Atal Bihari Vajpayee said to him again to invite the post of president, and then APJ Abdul Kalam could not be denied for that post, and he worked, and he served for the nation for 5 years. And this is the whole story about APJ Abdul Kalam, but he was dead on 27 July 2015, and this day was the born day of APJ Abdul Kalam was made as and we should not teach them from the APJ Abdul Kalam like that. We always keep working in the direction of our goals, and we always imagine the things, so that we could think beyond the reality. And the story always keeps motivating me, because he done unbelievable work for the India, and during his journey he motivated the youth of India also. And the quotation of APJ Abdul Kalam at that time, if you wanted to to shine like a sun, then you will have to burn like a sun. And thank you for giving me your precious time. This is my whole story, and thank you very much.